Hi everyone, my lovely Biotonians. I hope each one of you is doing well. So many of you have written to me on Telegram, Instagram and all other, or even in the comment section of our videos that ma'am, we cannot drop again. Our financial condition is not good and we cannot spend one more year. So what is the best alternate career that we can have, which is going to be respectable, which is going to give us good money and which will help us become independent soon? I'm going to give you 3 careers which are really nice and you can make a very good, respectable, financially stable living out of it. Number 1 would be physiotherapy. Find out one of the best physiotherapy colleges across your state, across your city, and see how you can apply. I will also give you a list of the physiotherapy colleges that you can apply to. Number 2 would be pharmacology, whether it is opening your own independent clinic, working with a pharmaceutical giant or a multinational company, or even moving abroad. Both physiotherapy and pharmacy are very good alternate careers, or even mainstream careers. Why use the word alternate? There are people who want to become physiotherapists. There are people who want to become pharmacologists. And number 3 will be Ayush. Anything in Ayush, especially Ayurveda and naturopathy. There is a lot of medical tourism happening in India and a lot of people visit India especially for these. These alternate medicine careers are on the high rise, especially in India, and a lot of demand in countries which are outside India also, because people are realizing their benefits. So these are 3 options which you can explore. Think about them. Take care. Bye.